Hi all, welcome back. This is the second half of our OpenDental installation. We're now about to install MySQL. I made a quick reference to how to get OpenDental to start automatically, and had a couple of people ask me about it, so I decided to re-up this video and show you. Just simply grab a hold of your icon, and there's different ways of doing this, but I like this one. Mouse it over to your start button until the start button pops up automatically. Mouse over the All Programs button until it pops open. Mouse over Startup and stick it right in there. Now, every time that I'm going to reboot this computer, this program will, the OpenDental program will automatically start up. So easy as that. All right, we're back to business. We're going to install MySQL now, version 5.0, and this is pretty. This is not it's just as tricky as the first one was. It's very, very, very simple. We can do a typical installation, and we're going to install. Now, if anyone does have any questions, just throw it in the comments page, and we'll follow up with them as quickly as possible. All right, I'm going to skip the sign up here. If you register, you will receive updates when security changes occur, when there's new versions available. But to keep things simple, we're going to skip this now. Feel free to skip it. Remember a little box that came up before? Uncheck it. Configure the server now, because we don't have to configure this. Jordan Sparks set up. He set the installation wizard to auto plug in the settings that we'll need. They'll install behind the scenes here, just like that. MySQL is installed. It's going to throw in the grants and the INIs. We're going to go ahead and just keep clicking OK until she's all done. These are the dental images. Those will go into a file directory system. A very brilliant way of just putting the files into where they should be for each patient. OpenDental doesn't, they don't take your data and kind of hold it for ransom. It's all open. You can see all your own databases. You can see all your own files. You can export them to a different program. Everything is there for you. You're good to go. It's not like some programs that we've seen before where it takes your data and locks you into a program where you can't get out of, and it's a very nice way of doing things. So we're all finished here. Now that we've got now that the installation is complete, and we click the logo to open up the program, you can see some of the connection settings. These should not have to be changed. Your local host is your computer name. It's a default reserved word that we use in the networking world. That means your computer that you're working on right now. You see it says Win2K3 R2EE, which is up here the same as my virtual PC, but localhost is fine. The database it wants to connect to is going to be OpenDental. These are other tables that are also in SQL, MySQL rather. OpenDental is the one we obviously want. We're going to be logging in as a root without a default password right now, and we're going to skip so we don't show this up every time that the computer's rebooted. In a future video, we'll discuss connecting through web services, and this is a fantastic way of keeping your data in the cloud and having access to just amazing, cool features that are available for this version. So now the server's going to go ahead and excuse me, do some graphics work in the back behind the scenes. And as soon as this is done with, then we're good to go. And there we are. We're going to go through some of these. These will fit for your own system. We're going to do just very, very, very simple stuff here. We're just going to set for no backups, no proof, and no strats. Obviously this is not proper procedure. We do want to do backups. We will set these up, but we're going to do these in different videos. So for now, I'm just going to leave them here. Oh, I'm so sorry. I guess we are gonna set up a backup. We're gonna set up a network. Oh, we're gonna set up a hard drive, and we'll make sure they're good too. And we will run them from a home computer. So Jordan, I didn't know we couldn't do this because it's really bad practice. So I've never clicked these buttons. So Here we are, and we'll put this to a DVD. Well, that's his way of telling us that you really, really need backups. And so now we're all set, and we're ready to go. Okay. So at this point, we're going to say goodbye, and I await your comments. And hope to see you come back for our newest videos. Thanks very much. Bye bye.